In this video, we're going to talk about how long it takes to get monetized on YouTube. YouTube Simplified. Hi, and welcome to Creator Fundamentals. My name is Dan Currier, and it is my mission to simplify YouTube so you and I can grow together. And if you want to continue to receive content that can help you simplify YouTube, make sure you click that subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you don't miss a thing. All right, so if you're in YouTube for the long haul and you want to be able to make a living creating here on the platform, then it's important to understand exactly how long it takes until you can actually start making some money with your content. This also comes in really important for those of you who may be considering taking the plunge, quitting your job, and going full-time as a YouTuber. So I'll just stop you right here and let you know if your plan is to quit your job, you may want to hold off on that until you really understand just how long the process takes and what you're actually going to start getting when the money does start coming in. Now, you may see other big YouTubers out there talking about the money that they make or see the lavish things that they're doing in their videos. But those YouTubers have probably been at this for quite a few years, and you may not have the same experience that you see in those videos. In order to start making money directly through YouTube, you need to be part of the YouTube Partner Program. The YouTube Partner Program is the program that allows channels that are in good standing to participate in receiving ad revenue. That means ads will actually appear on your videos and you will get a percentage of that money that advertisers are paying to YouTube to get their message out. But exactly how long does that take, and what's that process even look like? So first off, the process. In order to become part of the YouTube Partner Program, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and also 4,000 watch hours over the last 12 months. That means people need to have watched your content for 4,000 hours over the 12-month period, looking back from any point in time. It is a rolling requirement, so it's not on a specific date. It is simply, if you stop now and look back, how many watch hours has your channel received in the past 12 months. But it's not just enough to have these numbers. Your channel also has to be in good standing, and that means a couple things. First, you can't have any copyright strikes or guideline infractions. You want to have a channel that's in good standing and that you're following all of the rules and regulations YouTube puts out there for us as content creators. In fact, I'm familiar with a channel that got disapproved for monetization and the YouTube Partner Program for having copyrighted content on their channel. And it wasn't even content that they received strikes for. It was just a repeated pattern of using other people's music that those copyright holders allowed those channels to use, still prevented them from being accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. In fact, I worked with that client closely to identify exactly what that copyright infraction was and remove all of those copyrighted videos or the songs on those videos. And then we were able to apply 30 days later and get approved and enter and receive entry into the YouTube Partner Program. But now the biggest question is, how long does it take to accumulate 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours? Is it the same for everybody? The truth is that can be very different, a very different experience for every single creator. I know for me personally, I believe for Creator Fundamentals, it took somewhere in the area of 7 months to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. My brother, on the other hand, which started his YouTube channel, This Life Outdoors, reached those numbers much quicker than I did and was able to get acceptance into the YouTube Partner Program in a few months. So rather than going out and researching videos on how long it takes you to get there, it is really more dependent on you as a creator and the effort that you're putting in understanding exactly what your audience wants to see and focusing on how to improve your ability to deliver that value to them. The better that you can do that, the more you can keep people watching your channel and your content, the more easily you're going to be able to build an audience, gain those subscribers, and keep people watching longer to increase your watch hours. And I usually tell clients and viewers this: instead of focusing on particular metrics like 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours, focus on uploading 100 videos and try to make improvements over time with each of those videos. If you focus on that, if you make that your core metric to follow, you will find success on the platform. You'll be able to grow an audience, and as you grow that audience, those watch hours will pour in. So yes, it's great to become part of the YouTube Partner Program, and you'll absolutely get there in time if you focus on the content over the money. I know it's kind of a hard suggestion to want money but not have to focus on it, or not kind of make that the core goal for your channel. But the reality is it works out much better if you're simply trying to make better content and deliver better value to your audience. You'll see that the money side of things will fall into place. The audience will fall into place. People will continue to watch your content. Those watch hours will accumulate simply by doing your best to improve over time. And hey, don't forget, this video is sponsored by TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is your #1 browser plugin for managing and growing your YouTube channel. It's available to download for free. There's a link in the description below, or you can go to trytubebuddy.today and get started for free. And hey, if you want to continue to simplify YouTube and learn how to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, be sure to click on this playlist up here to give you even more content to help you grow here on YouTube. I'll see you in the next video.